Hello and welcome to another update about FLOKI. The FLOKI chart is one of the more popular meme coin charts, obviously. And the idea on this chart is that we could have bottomed in this fourth wave back in April. That was a fourth wave in a larger diagonal pattern to the upside. You see the third wave to the upside, for example, was labeled as an ABC structure. So the fifth wave would also likely be an A, B, C structure, and we could be working on the A wave. With an A wave, we have the option to track it as a 3-wave move or a 5-wave move. Both are valid, okay? Both are valid assumptions or scenarios. So I am currently tracking the A wave as a 5-wave move for now, but I definitely recognize that it could easily stretch more this last move up, and that's what many cryptos are doing right now. So it makes sense to proactively communicate that we might be working on an ABC structure, yeah, rather than a 5-wave move. That happens very often in the crypto sector, especially when the market is bullish, because most cryptos, especially in this cycle, have been moving in 3-wave patterns. That's okay, as long as we know that. And then once we get this move up completed that I've labeled circle wave A, the pullback in circle wave B, would then be next, basically. And it should be a higher low. Now at the moment, and I have to adjust it slightly because, this support area that I already put on the chart, just so that you have some levels to watch, should, for example, the pullback start from here, but there is no sign that a pullback is unfolding right now. So I'm tracking the move up as circle wave A. Once we have some kind of a top signal, like a break of upside momentum, start of downside momentum, a micro 5-wave move down or something like that, when we see that, then we can really focus on this support zone, which is located between 5538 and 79334. Now, the direct move up seems to be unfolding still. And if we get to that 100% Fibonacci extension at 14851, it is likely going to be the C wave in the white scenario. That would be wave C of A in white. Yeah? Momentum is up and absolutely no sign of weakness. The market has even broken above, just now, above this previous swing high from February. And the next resistance is close, very close. That's the previous swing high from end of January. That's very close to that 14851 level, the 100% extension. Because if we look at the internal structure here, we have 5 waves up, absolutely. But I can also make the case for A, B, C in A, B wave pullback, and then a C wave up. And that makes it look more like a 3-wave move. So 14851 would be the next milestone target. Is also where this previous swing high is located. And the 100% extension level is an absolute key Fib extension target for a C wave. Now, zooming in, it's difficult to say. It really is difficult to say where we are there with the micro count. I mean, meme coin micro counting doesn't make much sense. I could definitely make a case that this move up looks complete, but again, there can be extensions and everything. And I would say a break below that last low at 9648. I'm going to mark it with a red line. Well, that could be a first indication that a local price top has actually formed. Yeah. So yeah, that's the update on FLOKI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.